Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. And for today's video, I'm showing you the beautiful house of my friend somewhere in the Philippines. And look at that. It is so nice. That's the swimming pool there. It's almost like infinity pool. It looks like infinity pool, but it's not, but it's okay. It's really still very beautiful. And also, I am taking the advantage to say thank you for the beautiful couple, my friend and our friend, and for welcoming us to their beautiful home. Ah, it has sunset there. Sunset. Nice sunset. Lots of ships there. This is like a vacation place here. Wala ka na ibang hanapin. Yan lahat. The ocean breeze. Feeling like you're at a restaurant. O diba? Ganda. Sana all. Magpapasana all ka na lang talaga. So, the house is just so beautiful. Balcony on the top there. Oh, yeah. So, backside here. We have mobile house. No, how you call it? Container house. Sabi nila container house lang yung green for the stocks. No. She likes green, I guess. And it's the house from the back. Dako kayo. Tutit, 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 tutit. So, ayan, diba? Ang ganda. May mga garden pa siya. And then, yung buko. Oh my God. Gazebo. And in front is the pool. So this is where we gonna have our supper, and there we go. We were having our supper now. Special supper.
Thank you so
From
much.
this beautiful couple.
Amazing reception. Who will say the prayer?
Bob, wait.
Bénissez-nous, Seigneur, bénissez ce repas. Et procurez du pain à ceux qui n'en ont pas, ainsi soit-il. Voilà.
So here, this is the morning here. Good morning again, and we are here again eating our breakfast in front of the ocean, and it is so nice as usual. And the owner was just busy preparing the breakfast, busy serving us. Can say thank you now for this lovely couple to just welcome us to their beautiful home. Diba? Ang ganda lang talaga ng view. Hindi ka mapapagod. Namimiss ko na to.
Hi, sis!
Hi! Thank you for the accommodation and hospitality.
Ito ang favorite room ko eh.
Ang ganda dito, no? Informal dining. Ganda, sobrang. Ikaw na lang kasi sa akin.
Sure. Bye-bye, Pilipinas for now.
Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure we can visit here again. So here, this is the first room here. Beside the front is the pool, and it's beautiful. I call this one the million views. See? Oh my god, it's really, really beautiful. So lucky. And this is my friend too. Her and me visited here because the owner just invited us to visit her beautiful home. And that's her. And look at that couloir. How do you call that? Hallway. It's already beautiful. And there, look at that down there. That's the salon. So, just lovely. So this is our room. I didn't have a chance to take the video because I cannot find the video anymore. I think I already deleted. So it's also nice. Just showing you the minimum. That's the minimum already, yeah. And this day we're living. Let's go down. Let's check up the ground floor. Na. Tingnan mo yung hagdanan. Hagdanan pa lang ano na eh. Ang tawag nun. Malakas na. Grabe. Ang ganda. Look at that. It's all well decorated everywhere. I love their design. And that's the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen also with a bar. And here we're gonna go to the dirty kitchen. Dirty kitchen daw na malinis. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? That's her dirty kitchen. And it's clean. Yeah. So it's outside there. There are lots of doors everywhere. So ayan, that's the hallway after the ground floor. So this is the drone shot of their house. My husband just took it as a remembrance. It's nice, huh? So beautiful. So that's the whole view of the house from the top. Aerial view. Siguro yung ano, diba? Aerial view yung tawag niya. It's the ocean. I really love it. And that's my friend and my friend. That's me there. Was enjoying the time and feeling vacationista. And yeah, but we're just enjoying our time. I miss them already. And yeah, for sure sooner or later we're gonna go there again. We're gonna visit again, and we're gonna see each other again. Yeah, I enjoyed the time a lot there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't so, and click the like button and notification bell so that you will be updated with my next video. See you in the next one, and God bless. Thanks for watching, everyone.